Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hi everyone, Zontes have just released their 2023 revamp of the Zontes 350D. Comes in a beautiful new colour. This update was released on the 26th of the 4th, 2023, so it's brand new. So very little knowledge on actually internal spec changes at the moment. But visual spec changes besides the colour. There's 4 actual colours at the moment, but the blue is the newest colour on the range. It's got the screen from the 350M. It's obviously an electronic screen, but it's a short stubby screen, which has 2 position electronic adjustment via the controls on the handlebars. Also, you may have noticed the exhaust shroud is the same as the 350M. It was an option on this bike, but it's actually now on this bike as a standard feature. I'll go into features at the end of the video. So these are the 4 colours in the 2023 range that are available for you to order. Hopefully they're coming to a country near you. Now we'll look at the good bits of the bike. The latest 3rd generation keyless system. Dual channel ABS, independent on the front and the rear. Has full LED lighting system on the bike. Latest engine design of 27 kilowatts of power, 38 newton meters of torque. J.JUAN Spanish radial caliper on the front. There's a new damping system on the rear and the front. New exhaust shroud, which we've mentioned earlier. There's a parking function brake on the front left handlebar. You have multiple screen TFT, tab, app, full control. New design racing electronic raised screen from fingertip control. A smart app control for multiple rider use, you and your mates. The control system now comes as standard on the bike. The wide surface cooling radiator. The tyre pressure monitoring system on the bike on the front and the rear on full TFT instrument display. Well, I hope you're liking the videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll keep you up to date with all the latest developments. Obviously there's quite a few happening at the moment. There's one on the 350M colour change for this 2023 coming out tomorrow. I'll get you up to date on that. Mad Mick signing off. Please like, subscribe and join our journey. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.